Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kelly here, and again welcome. We are back with another vlog. It is Tuesday, April 1st. Happy beginning of the month, first of the month, new beginnings, all of that. Hopefully you are having an amazing day. It is the evening. It is approximately 5:05, but I figured I would go ahead and do a little evening vlog with you all. I am just in a rather good mood. It is something about, like, on therapy days that I have my therapy, I'll be in a really good mood. So I figured today would be a good day to go ahead and do a quick little vlog. I was challenged to start back doing things that I love for myself, and one of those things, of course, is gardening. So I do want to go ahead and get those seeds started. I should have got them started, but it's better late than never. So I do want to go ahead and get that started. We're going to cook dinner. I'm making something quick, simple, easy go-to meal, which is tacos, and it's Tuesday, so perfect. I have to tidy up like a very small amount in the kitchen, not too much, because I had cleaned up yesterday in there, so we don't really got much to clean up in there. So we're really just gonna be hanging out. I still have to go to the store to pick up a few things for dinner. I was debating if I was just gonna get them ordered, because why not? But I don't know. I ain't decided yet. I might just go to the store and pick them up, but it depends on my mood. I don't know if I really want to or not. So yeah, so we just have a few little things. I figured I would go ahead and start a new vlog because we were in a good mood. Y'all, Kiev is now officially driving, and it is so wonderful. So he left to pick up Kennedy for me from practice. Y'all, just the extra help in terms of commute and getting people where they need to go, it is absolutely amazing. Like, I really feel like I have entered into a brand new space, and I am just ready to simply get back to me being the happy and healed version of me, and I am excited about it. So I usually do therapy for an hour on my lunch break. So I usually skip my 15 minutes and then just combine it all and do my therapy in the middle of, so every 2 weeks on my lunch break for an hour. Y'all, when you are dedicated to your healing journey, you will do what it takes to actually put the work in and get the necessary healing, just for you to be back to whatever version you want to be, or even a better version than what you were. And so I am excited about that. I am just really in a really good mood. I ain't gonna hold you, I ain't been in a really good mood in a few days. So I figured now would be a good time to go ahead and vlog, pass on some good energy. But I'm about to stop chatting and tidy up this kitchen real quick and start the seeds, because I don't feel like because it's 5 o'clock, that means traffic is going to be kind of heavy. I'm not going to cook dinner until like 7, so ain't no point in me rushing out there to get in traffic. Okay, so for the kitchen, all I really need to do is, of course, sweep the floor. I'm going to mop the floor, but that's not going to be until, well, I guess I could go ahead and mop it now. But I'm going to sweep and mop the floor, wipe down the counter and the stove. I have 2 pots, 2 pans, and like a handful of silverware and 1 glass I need to go ahead and get washed. So I'm going to get that done while it's not that much. And then I also want to work on a to-do list on things I want to get done in each room. So I want to start like creating a to-do list and then breaking that to-do list down into like a more detailed list. Like for this kitchen, like up here on top of the refrigerator, I want all of that gone. The only thing that may stay is this Drew Barrymore, that's a slow cooker, and then also probably that vacuum seal machine, but I haven't even used it, so I might just take that downstairs. In this pantry, it is in dire need of a decluttering. I am pretty sure most of this stuff in here, definitely down here, like, y'all, it's a mess. So we are going to start really like making, writing down what we need to get done, a to-do list, so for like each room, and then really adding more detail to it, decluttering some of the cabinets, and just really start creating a master list so I can just start marking things off, just dedicating a little bit of time each day to just start getting some of this stuff done. Like I said in the last vlog, we are headed into track season. This is like 3 and 4 meets each week, and y'all, I'm just I'm not too excited about it, but I will still be there because I believe that support is everything. So I will make it to as many as possible, because I'll literally be getting off work and going straight, well, coming home, grabbing Jada and going straight there. So the days are going to be longer, but we'll make do like we always do. So I'm about to go ahead and wash these dishes, get these dishes cleaned up, and so we can move on.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
Okay, finally got that done. It honestly didn't even take that long. It took not even 15 minutes. But y'all, her right here, she is getting too long for this space. Like, her leaves and stuff is all the way down here. So I think I might, hold on, let's see. So I think I really might put her like up top and let her like hang over the side. That way she's still getting some sunlight. And these don't need direct sunlight, so she should be fine. So I think I'm gonna put her up here. Yeah, I think I was gonna put her up there for now. That way she can have plenty of space to grow down, have room, and I won't have to keep moving it around and stuff. So I'm gonna wait for these dishes to dry a little bit and then go ahead and get those put up, because I think I'm just gonna go ahead and start the seeds in here so that I don't, because I just cleaned the dining room table and I really don't want to have to re-clean that. I'd rather just have to wipe down the countertop and stuff than to have to dirty up a whole nother room. So for dinner, we are having, like I said, tacos. But one thing I am doing this week is we are shopping our cabinets before we go to the store. I did have a thing of ground beef in the basement. Already took that out. That's unthawing. And let's see. We have, I know for sure we have the taco sauce. We have the refried beans already. We have salsa, but I also believe that there's one already open. And we have Spanish rice. I can make this also. I just picked up a thing of tomatoes, so we don't need tomatoes. Let me check for cheese and sour cream. Okay, so yeah, so we have a brand new thing of sour cream in there. We're going to need cheese, because I know the cheese that I have is Italian blend. So I'm going to get a Mexican blend, shredded cheese, and then we just need the chips. So we're doing pretty good in terms of not spending any unnecessary money, because honestly I wouldn't even check the cabinet and I'll just go out and repurchase everything, because most of the time I do it while I'm out doing something else. But I'm kind of glad that I came home first before picking up dinner. So I just got to get the Doritos and the, let's see if we have taco shells. And we have taco shells. So yeah, so we're pretty much good. We just have to get, and then Jada likes corn one. So we have the yellow corn already, the flour fajita wraps, the refried beans, rice, and sour cream. Look at these kids.
Why are you even thinking about that?
Like, what possession? Hey, Mom, what you cooking? Tacos?
Taco.
Who's ever watching, when your kid starts driving, don't send them everywhere.
Yeah, I was just speaking very highly of you on the vlog too.
Is this
Oh,
on?
he was?
Yes.
Dang.
Saying how much of a help you've been.
Yeah, you know the queen's back.
Well, I see what the parents are
queen.
talking about now.
Yeah. Now you see what we talking about?
Yeah. I don't like them people.
I gave you some gas money.
You did?
Well, you didn't send me your phone bill money. So that's why I said put that $20 in your gas tank.
My phone bill's 30.
I know. I said just send me 10.
Oh. Oh, alright.
You know, you just be chatting. You don't even be listening when I be texting you.
That's everybody.
Uh-huh.
I glance through it. I get to the main.
Okay, so we have the burpee. This is the seed starting mix. We're going to use the seed starting window seal greenhouse kit. And for seeds, these are actually the ones that I purchased last year, but we just didn't get around to doing it. So we have some onions, some sweet peppers, and then this is the specialty herb garden. So it has parsley, thyme, basil, and Greek oregano in it. And then this pack has tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and garden beans. And so we're going to plant some of all of these.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, think it's meant to be. Scary at first when you change, but it's better than being stuck here in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Always meant to be. Always meant to be. Oh yeah, always meant to be. It was always meant to be.
Okay, so we got everything started. I'm super excited about it. I am going to take a picture because I have these little tabs. They're like stickers, but it's not enough. It's only 6 of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture and then write front so I'll know like what is in each one. But y'all, I'm so excited about this. So I'm gonna write front down here. Just so I'll know. And then this lid goes on top. So this lid goes on top, and kind of just sets on top of there, and we're going to put it up in this window so that it can get sun. And that way we can watch it grow as everything starts to germinate. And of course, they all germinate at different times. So if some are ready to be planted before then, which will probably be like the herbs and stuff, then we can, because I think I'm going to container those. I'm not going to put those in the raised beds, I don't think. But we have quite a while before... well, no, this one says germination for the basil is in 7 days. And even the tomatoes, the cucumbers, the garden beans, is in 7 to 14 days. And so like they have like how you need like all of the directions and stuff for them right on the seed pack. If you want to venture into gardening this year, it's very therapeutic. And of course, with the price of everything going up, hey, now's the perfect time to learn to grow your own food. I'm going to put the seeds, I folded them over, I'm going to put them in this bag and keep them in the refrigerator. It is said that it's best to store your seeds in a cool place. So I'm going to just put them in the refrigerator. If you were wanting to start a garden and you didn't necessarily want to spend money on the seed pack, you can always take the seeds out of some of the stuff you buy. Like these are seeds from a red bell pepper, and so when I was cutting them, took the seeds out, put them on this napkin. They've been on this napkin for about 3 days, so they're good and dried out, and then just store them in a Ziploc bag or even like a little paper envelope and write what it is on it, and then you have seeds from items that you already purchased anyway, so it's like free food. I picked up these cable ties. They're the Velcro ones, because this is driving me crazy. So I'm going to, I bought them to like Velcro up some of these. You just tie it around. I might have to get a bigger one. Or no, how many is this? Hold on. Oh no, that's 3. But let's use the next size up, which is going to be this size. Let's see. So they are Velcro, so reusable is always a bonus. And just gonna wrap it around. And so now it's not just dangling. And push that back. And stick these in a gallon size bag. And it came with 100 of these cable ties. I think I got this from Amazon. If I can find the link or something similar, I will link it down below. All right, we are officially running on fumes. Went to Kroger's, got some avocados. I wanted to make some homemade guacamole minus the onions. I got one of these Bloom Sparkling Energy. This is the strawberry watermelon. I never had this, but I wanted to go ahead and try it. Not tonight, of course, for tomorrow, because after I cook dinner, I'm going to get into bed. Mexican cheese, a thing of cilantro, a lime, and then I got 4 bags of Doritos because the party size bag was $6.49, or you can get when you buy 4 of these size bags, they were $1.99 a bag, so it just made sense to get 4 bags for $8 instead of 1 bag for $6.49. So we got that. We're about to go ahead and get this dinner done because I'm ready to go to bed.
You got me overthinking here, where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking. When you come closer to my body, a delicate touch of instinct, moving slow but my heart's racing, yeah. And your fingers sliding down my chest.
Okay, guys,
From me,
I am done. We got the beans and meat done. We have the guacamole done. I think
curiosity has got
maybe
me
the guacamole.
wondering if this'll be alright. I want you in my life for more than the
I
night.
am going to bed. It is early. It is only 7:25, and I am about to take a shower.
Needed some clarity.
Have a glass of wine. And I'm done for today.
Just you and me.
I have fulfilled all my bucket list, and I am officially
Can't you see, baby?
clocking out for today. Thank you so so much for hanging out with me this evening. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so with the post notifications turned on. And I will see you all in the next vlog.
Logically, it don't make sense to me. I don't see what you see for making me wait to call you my lady, making me contemplate, trying to calculate what your side state. Tell me why hesitate, why you keeping me at bay? Don't wanna be in the gray, baby. I really love your curves, but I need my answers straight.